Welcome to video number 2. In the last video, we went over how to get to Google Classroom, how to find the Classwork tab, and how to complete your first assignment. Let's go back to the Classwork tab because we know that's where all of our assignments will be found for every class. We have already completed Lesson 1. It says turned in. So we're going to go to Lesson 2 that's due on August 14th. We can see that right there. Click View Assignment. So it says answer the following questions on the Google form and submit it. So with Google Forms, it doesn't pop up under your work. It's going to pop up below the directions. We'll click it. My favorite genre to read is mystery. I read books because I love reading. I'm going to click Submit. Once you click Submit, it says Response Submitted and Assignment Marked as Done. That's how you'll know that your child has completed it. And if I go back to the main stream here in my Classwork tab, it says turned in. Go back. Now let's do Unit 2, Lesson 1. Due August 17th. We're going to click View Assignment. It says, I want to know more about you as a student. Please answer the following questions on a Google Doc below. It used to be below, but now the Google Docs will pop up to the side if they're created for you. And it says that my teacher has created a copy for me to work off of and turn in. Please answer all of the questions. Don't forget to submit your Google Doc. So if for some reason my teacher didn't create a copy for me, and my teacher has, but if it said create a doc and answer this question, I would click Add or Create and go down to Docs. And it would pop up a fresh doc for me. And I could just type in it. The same could be done with a slide if my teacher told me to create a slide. And your student will always want to create their work from Google Classroom because then it gives their teacher access to see it. So since I didn't need to create anything, I'm going to delete those. You can just do that by clicking the X. Let me go ahead and complete the assignment. Okay, so I can click Turn In from here. It brings me back to the assignment and asks me if I want to turn it in, and I'm sure that I do. So I'll click Turn In one more time. Again, it says Turned In. If I go back to Google Classroom and back to the Classwork stream, it says Turned In. Again, it will say late here if your student has not turned it in. One thing that I do want to point out, your teachers will not post grades in Google Classroom. They post them in Hack, which is the Home Access Center, and we'll talk about that in a different video, and your student will get the password and everything to log into their Hack account. So don't expect to see grades on Google Classroom because they will go into the Home Access Center or Hack. One last thing I want to show you is the Google Suite. Again, I would prefer, and the other teachers would prefer, that your student create their actual assignments through Google Classroom, like we did down here before we submitted. But if they needed to get to Docs, they can click the Google Apps icon and go to Docs. If they needed to create a sheet, they could go to Sheets, Slides, Forms. So that's where the Google Suite is located. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to email me at amanda.maxwell@greenwoodk12.com. Mr. Nation, I look forward to working with you guys this year.